Where'd you get those beautiful flowers?
Oh, at the market, just down the road. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make the flower stand from our last video. The first thing you'll need to do is go to poppyseedmini.blogspot.com to print off our free printable for this project. Next, cut out the template for our plant stand. Trace the template onto a piece of black foam core board. Cut on the lines drawn using an X-Acto knife. Cut 2. Cut 3 strips of foam board 5 inches by 3/8. Measure and cut 3 giant craft sticks down to 7 inches long. I'm going to use a hot glue gun to glue this stand together. To make the buckets for the plant stand, cut a 2-inch by 2 3/4 inch rectangle. Cut 12 in all. Using a texture plate, take your rectangle and tape it down. Now, grab your stylus, and I'm just embossing 2 parallel lines into the top half of my bucket, just to give it some more detail. Pull your paper off the template and curve it around your stylus or another curved item. And then we're just going to curve it around and do a 1/4 of an inch overhang that you're going to glue. And I leave that tape right in there. It tapes it so that I can add my glue along this line. To make the bottom, I'm going to take a cap from a glue stick and press it into a leftover piece of my foam core board. And then I'm going to cut around the impression that was made. All right, now glue the edge of your bucket. Then push the bottom into the bottom of your bucket. I inset it slightly and glue around the edge. Make the rest of your buckets. Then take tacky or hot glue, I'm using tacky, to stick your buckets to the plant stand. Now we're going to make an easel to hold one of the signs. Take 3 wooden dowels. These are 12 inches long. Using a miniature drill, drill through the top of each of your dowels, about 1/4 of an inch from the top. Make sure to have something underneath your dowels that you can't drill through. The first time I did this, I drilled through my table. Sand the rough parts off. Take a piece of craft wire and cut at about 1.5 inches. Take that wire and thread it through each of your dowels. Hold them together and then curve the excess around the back, keeping everything flat. There we go. On the 2 outer dowels, measure 5 inches up on both sides, but leave the center. Drill where you made the marks. Put glue in each of the holes. And take a toothpick, cut it in half, and put one in each of the holes, pushing them through. And then let them dry. Trim your toothpicks to about 1/4, so they stick out about 1/4 of an inch. And then I also trim off the back. Measure and cut 2 skinny sticks, 4 inches long. Sand the edges down. Glue the first stick across the easel. And glue your second strip to the toothpicks. And there we go. We have our easel. Cut out the rest of the printables. For the 2 large signs, glue the backs with glue stick. And stick to more of the foam board. Once they're dry, I'm going to cut along the edges with my rotary blade. To make the little road sign, I cut out a rectangle of foam core board, added little feet to each side. I cut out some of the middle section so that it can bend, and then I'm going to glue that like so. Now that I've glued it in the middles, once I folded it over, I'm going to add the glue stick and stick on our road sign. For the poppy pad, I'm going to take a piece of recycled cardboard and I'm going to take the front of the pad and glue it to the cardboard. Once you have the front cut out, glue the back onto the front. To give it a nice glossy finish, you can give it a coat of clear nail polish. To make it so that your dolls can hold the poppy pad, I glue a little handle to the back. Now this is just a strip of paper cut about 1 inch long, and then make sure it's only glued on 2 sides with a little raise that your fingers can fit through, like so. Now let's set up our scene. For the flowers, check out our previous video where we taught you how to make a bouquet. You can make single stems and or bouquets for the tops to fill in your buckets. Otherwise, stay tuned for more videos from us. We'll be making more flowers. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have fun crafting.